Sweetie, I need to tell you something. I know that throughout the years I haven't been the most perfect boyfriend. And I know that. I know that I've been toxic. I've been a very toxic boyfriend to you, and I've been doing a lot of self-reflecting. And I realize that I've been so bad to you. And I wanted to apologize, and I wanted to tell you that here on out things are going to be different, okay? And I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I treated you so poorly in the past. But I can change. I guess, like, one of the things that I did, I was pretty toxic in this relationship, and I can tell you I'm not proud of it, you know? It's that I separated you from your family. And I'm sorry for that. But I think I had good reason for doing that. You know, I did it because I didn't think your parents would approve of me. I didn't think your family would approve of me. I didn't think they would accept our relationship. So I did what I did because I didn't want them to influence you, you know? Like, I didn't want anyone to influence you in our love. And I did it because I was afraid of losing you. And I didn't want to lose you, you know? And I'm not proud of it. I'm not. And I know it's wrong, but at the time, I felt like that was the right move to keep you. So I did what I did. You know, at the time I was just so afraid of losing you, so I'm sorry. And I'm sorry that I didn't allow you to have friends or see your friends. You know, it's just I knew that they were just gonna say things about me, like how you can do better, or I'm not the right guy for you, or, you know, you can find someone more handsome. And I knew they were just gonna say that, and I knew that they would never accept us. And I was afraid to lose you to another guy, or, you know, stuff like that. So I isolated you from your friends and from the world. And I did that because I wanted all your time to be spent with me. You know? And I figured that if all your time was just spent with me, that I would be the only one. I would be the only choice. And you would never leave. But I'm just afraid of you leaving. That's why I did what I did. You know, I love you so much, and I can't live without you. And, you know, maybe what I did wasn't right, but I did it for us. I did it for me and you. And I just want to let you know that I'm a changed man. I am. I am a changed man, and I know that I can treat you right. I know. And I'm gonna do better. I'm gonna do better for us, and I'm gonna do better for you. I love you. I do. And I would absolutely do anything for you. Because you're my little princess. Okay. And I love you so much. No, sure, sweetie. You can ask me anything. Oh, sweetie. You can't leave, okay? I don't think you understand what I did for you. I built this cage. Caught everything in this room, and it was so hard to kidnap you. Took a lot of time and took a lot of planning. No, sweetie, you know I love you, right? I do. You're my everything. You are. I love you so much. That's why you're here with me. And that's why I'm never gonna let you go. You understand that, right? Oh, you've only been here for a year. I think with a little bit more time, let's give it like 7 years, you'll learn to love me. You will. You will love me. And I know you will. And I'll keep you here as long as I want and as I can until you love me. Because I know that you love me. You just don't know it yet. No, sweetie, I'm not crazy. How many times do I have to tell you I'm not a crazy person? Would a crazy person leave you down here in the basement and build this beautiful cage for you, just for you to live in so you can be with me 24 hours? No, crazy person would never do that. So, I'm not crazy. I may be crazy in love with you, but I'm not a crazy person. No, and I know deep inside. I know deep inside you're in love with me too. If anything, you might be crazy in love with me. Do you understand? We are gonna be crazy in love with each other. And I know you understand that, sweetie. I know. You're so cute. You're so cute. We're gonna be together forever. And my dear, I'm never, ever gonna let you go, okay? Do you understand? Because you're with me now. You're so precious. How can I let something so precious leave me? I'm never gonna let you leave me. You're never gonna leave. We're gonna have so much fun together. There's absolutely no way for you to ever escape. You are stuck here, and I hope you understand. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that you're gonna be with me forever and ever and ever. There's so many wonderful things that we can do together. Like hold hands. We can cuddle and watch movies. So many fun activities like board games. Yeah. We can do everything together. You'll love it. Not only that, I can buy you anything you want. Just ask me, I'll go out and I'll buy it for you and I'll bring it back. Anything you want. I would buy you the whole world if I could. And I love you so much in every single way. You'll be so happy here with me. You will? No, sweetie. You can never, ever, ever see your family. You can't. This is where you belong. Right here with me. And you're gonna stay here for the rest of your life. Me and you. Me and you, sweetie. And you're gonna be so happy in every single way. I hope you understand. I know you do. Because you love me and I love you. Okay? Got it? Good. I'm glad you understand. You want to leave the cage? No, sweetie, I can't. I can't let you leave the cage, okay? No, you can't. Maybe one day when I trust you, okay? I just gotta trust you. Do you understand? Once I know that you love me as much as I love you, that's when I can trust you. And maybe you can walk around this basement and we can walk around together. Alright? No, don't worry. I know you love me. I do. You just don't know it yet. I love you so much, sweetheart. You know you're my everything. You really, truly are. No, sweetie, it's okay. Come cuddle with me. Come cuddle with me right now. Good. Everything's gonna be okay, okay?